YouTube. This is a problem. I see this all the time. This will probably be a video that gets searched frequently because well, obvious reasons. The low guy in the totem pole, the new hire, gets stuck putting plastic in cars a lot of the times, and the detail shop, and they don't know how to get it to stick. So my theory is that they go around dressing everything with silicone or whatever it is, and it rains down on the carpet or whatever else happens, and then you get this. Actually, this ain't sticking too bad right here. It's just put in sloppy and poorly. Anyway, in order to get it to stick, all you have to do, usually, if you have a problem, is scrub the carpet down with a terry towel and alcohol, or solvent such as lacquer thinner. I wouldn't use bug and tar remover, but lacquer thinner or alcohol. Scrub it down, let it dry for 2 minutes with the heater on it, and then reapply it, and you should have fantastic results. Now after you do that, in order to get this stuff in here looking nice, lay it down, line up your corners so that it's in there straight, and then smooth it out like any other sticker from the middle outwards. And then when you get to areas, see how much nicer it looks already. And would you put a sloppy tuxedo? Would you put it on a guy sloppy trying to look good? No. If you're trying to look good, you're trying to look good. You're not going to be sloppy. So